Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. My name is George Kingori, and I'm your online finance guy who speaks about all things finance. How you can be able to save, how you can be able to invest, and how you can be able to grow your finances. And today I'm going to give you an update on my peerberry investments. So I have invested exactly 2,000 euros since the last time, and my net return is 12.53% per annum as at now, and my profit for 4.5 months of operation has been 48 euros and 5 cents. I deposited the first tranche of 1,615. Then I added 385 to give me the 2,000 investment. So this has been the return so far of 48 euros and 5 cents. So as you can see, my portfolio status 1,748.15 is current, meaning that it is not yet due and is current. Then 1 to 15 days is 200 going down. So more than 85% of my portfolio is current, meaning that no one has defaulted or is late in payment, and so my portfolio is doing well. I have given out for 198 loans so far. So 198 loans. Usually I give an averagely of from 10 euro going there, so you can be able to see. So here are some loans that I have given out in Ukraine and in several other places. I have given to many places. You can be able to see that I have long-term instruments that I have issued. You can see I have issued long-term instruments like these ones for Moldova for a period of 250, 260 days, so slightly less than a year. I also have some investments in real estate. Not too many, because real estate is not giving a good return. However, the beauty about having it is because it is backed up by a property. So you can be able to see my rate of return is 11.5%. Then I have some leasing from Kazakhstan, so giving me around 12%. For leasing is usually for up to a year or thereabout, even 2 years, but mine is limited to below a year, 12%. And again, I give around 10% so that I can be able to spread my risk far and wide. So you can see I have, and I am in various other countries. So these are the countries that I have invested in: Czech Republic, Kazakhstan, Lithuania, Moldova, Poland, Russia, Sri Lanka, Ukraine, Vietnam. Those are the places that I have invested my money. So it is usually a very simple process. If you wanted to invest, you could be able to just click here, deposit your money. Especially if you're in Europe, it should be able to take you within the day to be able to deposit. You can see already I have some money that has come in, so my amount available for investment is this amount. So let me just show you a process of investing. So I can just click here, invest. Then I can check the available loans, the loans that are available that I can be able to invest in. So they are processing. So they are currently around 6,268 of them. So my amount has not yet updated, but you basically come, put a figure, then you click here, then you are good to go. Once it is updated and it shows as my current available, it takes some minutes to be able to update. Somebody else has paid. You can be able to now give out loans to other people. So when you deposit your money, it comes as amount available. Then when you invest, it shows a invested amount. Then this is the total, which is the interest plus invested funds plus available amounts for investment, giving you a total there. So you can be able to see how things are in terms of investments. So You can be able to look at some statistics so that you can be able to help you if this is something that you would want to invest in. So here are the statistics. So you can see the outstanding portfolio has been growing, meaning more and more investors have been coming into the platform and giving out loans. The only dip was in March last year, when Corona had hit, and a lot of people were a bit skeptical in the market, as well pulled a few funds. However, the funds have been growing significantly. The outstanding amounts have been growing significantly, and everything is going so far so good. The average rate of return for across all the investors is around 11.28%, and the total investment as at now is 448,605,325 euros. So clearly my 2,000 euros is a drop in the ocean, but we are getting there. So again, you can be able to see the amount of loans funded per month. You can be able to see the classification. April is because April has just begun, but so far 6 million loans have been issued. Then you can be able to see the interest that is paid to investors has been going up. Again, when it started in 2007 November, going up. So as at the current period, which is April, 5,357,771 euros have been issued as interest to the investors. So you can see the loans that are available, the portfolio that is available for the platform. 74% is for short-term loans. Then there is business loans. Then the next one is long-term loans, so for more than a month, going up to 3 years or so. Then there's leasing, which is the next one. Then there's real estate. Then there's business. If you're the kind of person who is too keen on not taking any risk, you could be able to do real estate fully. However, if you want to get a quick return and be able to get your money as fast and give issue out again, short term is the way to go. You can be able to see these are the various individual lenders. So usually they are called loan originators. So loan originators are the middle people who are between you and the person you're lending your money to. And usually these loans have a payback guarantee and a group guarantee to ensure that you do not lose money. For the 4 months, I've not lost any money, and I have no loans beyond 2 months because the payback applies after 60 days. You get your money back. You can be able to see the status across the whole platform. So 82.47 is current, 11.34 is late by around 2 weeks. Then within a month and 2 weeks, 5.1%. Then maximum, which is not more than 60 days, 1%. So clearly, you will still get back your money. You can be able to see the investors are spread across pretty much everyone. You can be able to see there are 40 people who have invested in Canada, 108 in the USA. Mexico has 26 people who have invested. Germany has 4,934, which is around 18%, is among the biggest countries to issue these loans. Then there's France. Then there's Spain, which is again a big country with 2,052 people who have invested in these shares. As up to South Africa with 48 people who have invested. I should be here in Kenya, but in Europe because I'm based in Europe now. But again, you can say Kenya is represented here. Then there's Australia. So pretty much most countries, most investors are in across the world. So yeah, so that is how it is. You can be able to see as regards to what are the opportunities that you can be able to explore when you are thinking about this platform. I hope that I'm continually encouraging you. If it is the kind of thing that you desire to be able to invest in, I will leave a link down below so that you can be able to invest and check and yeah, and you'll be able to see how to go about it. You'll find a link down there. So let us invest. Let us just do one investment. So assuming we want to, so that we are not left with any cents remaining, you can just come here and say 11.04. So you can see I've invested in a short-term loan of 26 days at 11.5% to Kazakhstan, to somebody in Kazakhstan. So that is how you pay. Of course, you can be able to set up auto invest and be able to specify your strategy that you want to use. So for me, I've indicated my loan originators here. I've set the limit to not more than 10 euros. Then yeah, you can be able to see. I need to change my portfolio size so that it can invest automatically. So let me just edit review. So you can see my loan, the people I can be able to give my loans to. Let me just go to change. Yeah, so it has come. So let me just change my portfolio limit so that it can invest automatically for me. You can say 2,500 euros. So again, do you want to reinvest? Yes. Then I click on the user agreement that I want to do that. Then I can say activate. So any amount that comes in chooses my criteria in auto invest. Then I can be able to invest automatically. So thank you. If it is your first time on this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, to like this video, and to give me ideas on the topics I need to cover as I help you grow in your financial journey. So thank you and enjoy your day.